So welcome to 7th grade health. I am Mrs. Oldakowski, and I look forward to meeting you next year for our health class. So just to tell you a little bit about what health class will cover, we do talk about drugs, smoking, and alcohol. We talk about social skills, the impact of social media, and so much more. So just to tell you a little bit about me, there is me sitting on a star that you can halfway see. I was a special education teacher in the high school for about the last 8 years, and just this year I switched over to become the 7th and 8th grade health teacher. And so I don't know if you've played this game before, Two Truths and a Lie, but two of these things are true about me and one is false, which I can prove to you. I got married at Disney World. I can do an excellent handstand. And I recently became a certified holistic health coach. So which one do you think is not true? Well, if you picked that I can do an excellent handstand as the lie, then you would be correct. And I'm going to prove it to you. Here's me. This is the introduction. I look forward to meeting you. Thanks for watching.